Can an LLC file Chapter 7? Yes, an LLC can file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, but the process is different from personal bankruptcy. In Chapter 7, the LLC's assets are liquidated by a court-appointed trustee to pay creditors. Once the assets are sold and debts are addressed, the LLC is dissolved and no longer operates. Unlike individuals, an LLC does not receive a discharge of debts in Chapter 7. This means the company itself cannot continue after the process, and any remaining unpaid debts are simply left behind with no further obligation since the LLC ceases to exist. Owners of the LLC are generally not personally liable for the company's debts, as long as they kept business and personal finances separate. However, if they personally guaranteed any loans, creditors can still pursue them individually. Zen Business can help you form and maintain your LLC properly, so your personal assets remain protected if your business faces financial difficulties. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.